8 techniques that stop anger in its tracks. You can't believe they did it. Of all people, turning on you this way. You want to react in kind, drawing on the anger flowing through you to lash out. Make the other person hurt every bit as much as you do right now. Wait a minute. You can't. You're not that person. You don't want to be that person. You're better than this. But how do you stop anger in its tracks before it gets the best of you? Take a walk. The physical act of walking will burn off some of the adrenaline while getting outside, giving you a distracting change in scenery. And it works even better if you're walking away from the object of your anger. Sometimes all you need is some space. Pay attention to your muscles. Like walking, exercise is good. Also, anger tends to tighten you up, so a good stretch, or even better, practicing progressive muscle relaxation, will knock the tension out. Say something. Choose a pet phrase or mantra which calms you. Say it several times, slowly and deliberately, to put your focus elsewhere. Visualization. Escape somewhere else. Remove yourself from the situation that has made you mad and find a quiet place where you can visualize something peaceful. Build in as much detail as you need to make it as real as possible. Stay in this vision until you feel yourself start to calm down. Do something grand. Take your anger and turn it into activism. How can you use this to change the world? Sign or start a petition. Volunteer. Get involved in the community and make the world a better place. Write about it. Journaling can help you work through your emotions in a way that might even help prevent you from getting mad the next time around. Understanding what it was about the event which triggered you will help reshape the trigger entirely. Switch perspective. It can be hard to use empathy when you're upset, but if you can see things from their perspective, it might help you to calm your response. Many times, anger comes from misunderstanding the situation. Forgive. This technique falls under expert level of anger management. By being the bigger person and forgiving the other, you'll find you no longer have reason to be mad at all. The key to all of these is simple. Don't let anger take control. The last thing you need is for you to fall under the power of negative emotion. Use the anger to make a better place or let it go entirely. In the end, you'll be happier you did.